Okay, let's start working with two main elements of email marketing: mailing lists and subscription forms. In order to send customer emails, you need to build your customer database by gathering customers' contacts. You need to get them to fill out a subscription form. There are 5 main reasons why customers subscribe to your newsletters and emails. These are additional value, community, loyalty benefits, online events, and news updates. Before we get further into the 5 main reasons, you must first know how to get a subscriber base. Everyone wants to know how to make people leave their emails so you can communicate with them. On the eMarketer website, by subscribing to a form, you will receive a series of useful newsletters. All you have to do is leave your email address. Blogs are a great way for your customers to receive helpful content, announcements, reminders, and offers on a regular basis. By subscribing to a blog update, your users expect to receive the most interesting news of the week, month, and another specific period. Contests can help you keep in contact with the client base better. For example, if a user were to win one of your contests, then you can reach out to him and let him know. Perhaps the most significant changes to a digital marketing are due to the evolution of social media. You, as a marketer, must take advantage of this. Facebook has a special plugin that allows you to invite people to subscribe to a newsletter by leaving their email addresses. One of the simpler ways to entice people to subscribe to your mailing list is to give your clients the option to register for them on your website. Upon registration, you can send them information such as newsletters and digests by email. I want to draw your attention to this subscription form. Some companies make a subscription forms too long and ask for a lot of personal data. The longer you make a subscription form, the fewer conversions you will have. Shorter subscription forms where you only ask for a name and email address will result in more subscriptions. So remember, asking for less information on your subscription form will result in higher conversion rates. In this lesson, we will try to be as practical as possible. So the first step we have to run through is checking subscription forms. So there are no newsletter subscription forms on Udemy, but you will start to get a lot of emails when you register and buy your first course. Udemy is a huge global company. Many people are interested in studying new topics or earning money as an instructor. I have both a student and instructor account, so I have a lot of emails from Udemy. As an instructor, I get tons of emails containing information about how to make my courses better. As a student registered to Udemy's newsletter, I get information about upcoming courses. This is how you can grow your email database. You can communicate with your existing clients by dividing them into different segments. It sounds easy, but it is not. Okay, let's pause for a second. Please message me about how I can make my course better. You can write a personal message to me or express your concerns in the Q&A section.